This daily market update has been brought to you by Daily Wealth Report. Trading involves risk of loss and may not be suitable for you. Past performance is no guarantee or reliable indication of future results. All advice and education content is of the nature of general information only and must not in any way be construed or relied upon as legal, financial, or personal advice. Good morning, traders and investors. It's Tuesday, the 15th of May, and we've seen the markets pull back overnight in Europe. The leading indices were mostly down around about 2% based on the negativity surrounding Greece and whether it will stay in the euro. Looking at the FTSE as we are right now, it was down 110 points or 1.97%. We can see a continuation of the downwards trend and a new short-term lower low. The DAX was down 127 points or 1.9%. You can see that it's actually holding its previous short-term lows. Germany is a much stronger economy than its European counterparts, but it is still looking to hold a downwards trend at the moment. In France, the CAC 40 was down 71 points or 2.3%, so a lot lower in percentage terms than the German and UK markets, and we can see it's clearly still in a downwards trend. As we switch over to the US markets, we can see that there was a downwards day for the US. The Dow Jones Index was down 125 points, just short of 1%, and it is now actually testing new short-term lows. So it's attempting to break through 12,700, which was our support base. Seeing as it was only a week break through that level, I'll be looking at tonight as a confirmation that the support has been broken. The Nasdaq was also down. Technology stocks saw a 31-point drop on the Nasdaq, or just over 1%, and on the S&P 500, which is a much broader measure of the US markets, it was down 15 points or 1.1%. We can see that it's up slightly in pre-market activity today ahead of tonight's open. We'll just need to see whether that selling pressure is going to continue through the day. So we'll take a look at the VIX volatility. As one would expect, that as the markets have fallen, the VIX index has driven up quite strongly. It's broken through resistance levels, and we're now seeing a fundamental shift there. We'll have a quick look at the ASX 200. It was mildly up yesterday. It was up 7 points, closing at 4,292 points. And we can see that there's a small shadow on top of yesterday's candle. The SPY futures are actually pointing to a 19-point lower open, and that is likely to have a major influence on the ASX 200, potentially breaking through this support level that we'd identified down around 4,250. So it looks like we're set for a lower open today. We've got an RBA announcement of their minutes from their previous monetary policy meeting. So we'll need to see the reaction of the markets towards that and see if that selling pressure continues through to the end of the day. Well, thank you all for tuning in. We'll look forward to speaking to you again tomorrow.